The Easy Bath and Shower Seat with Handles features a sturdy construction with a stylish contemporary look. This bath and shower seat allows users to bathe safely and in comfort while seated in the shower. Secure handles assist with sitting down and standing up. Seat height adjusts from 16.5 inches to 22.5 inches. The Easy Bath and Shower Seat with Handles easily folds for storage. The weight limit on this bath seat is 300 pounds. Assembly for the B660 Easy Bath and Shower Seat is simple and tool-free. How to assemble the B660 Easy Bath and Shower Seat. Step 1. Unfold the back support. Step 2. Snap in the backrest with handle. Step 3. Snap in the handles. Step 4. Snap in the legs. You can easily adjust the height of your Easy Bath and Shower Seat by pushing in the button and sliding the legs to the desired height. When seated, feet should be firmly planted on the ground. The Easy Bath and Shower Seat with Handles is now ready to be placed in your bath or shower for use. For other fine products from Carex Health Brands, please visit www.carex.com.